Welcome back to another Travel 101 experience. Before we get started, we would love to know where you're watching from. Let us know in the comments below. On a recent trip to Rome, we decided to try an Italian cooking class. Personally, I'm not a great cook, but I thought it'd be fun to give this a go. The class I booked was to make a tiramisu, pasta, and wine was also included. After we sat down, we enjoyed a glass of Prosecco. Then the class commenced. We made a tiramisu as a group and took turns making it while the chef explained the process. This was very entertaining and we all had a lot of fun. And I have to say they turned out a lot better than I expected. After this, it was straight into pasta making. To make the pasta, I was really surprised how simple the ingredients were, just flour and egg. It took some time to mix and knead the dough until it was the right consistency. This was a lot trickier than I thought, but it was fun. Then we started to use the pasta machines, and it all really came together. Once we got the hang of it, we made fettuccine first. Then we moved on to ravioli. There were chefs in the kitchen and they prepared a spinach and ricotta mix for the filling. I was pretty surprised to see how much pasta we got from this small amount of ingredients. Plus, for someone who can't cook and usually doesn't enjoy it, this was really fun. After that, the chefs cooked our pasta in a simple sauce and we enjoyed it with some more wine. And to finish it off, the tiramisu we made was delicious. I love this experience and would definitely recommend doing this on your next trip to Rome. We hope you enjoyed watching our cooking class. Don't forget to subscribe to stay up to date with all our Travel 101 experiences. Thank you so much for watching and we look forward to seeing you in our next video.